how to find email notification settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find email notification settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram and then just click here on your profile and then the three lines in the top corner, and here we'll see settings and then notifications, and now just click email notifications. And as you see here, you can manage email notifications, and then that's it. Just go back, it will be saved, and that's how to find the email notification settings. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.